Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Valentine gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to express your love and appreciation for your boyfriend, especially when you want to make this Valentine's Day truly unforgettable and show him just how much he means to you with a present that speaks volumes about your relationship and his unique personality, making it a cherished keepsake for years to come. Number 5. Avidlove Women's Lace Babydoll Sleepwear. Discover the Avidlove Lace Babydoll, a perfect blend of comfort and allure. Designed to make you feel beautiful and confident. This sleepwear is crafted to flatter every figure. Available in a wide range of sizes, from XS to 5XL, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. Elevate your intimate wardrobe with this exquisite boudoir outfit. Its delicate lace detailing adds a touch of sophistication and romance. Experience the ultimate comfort without compromising on style. This baby doll is made from soft, breathable materials for a pleasant feel all night long. More than just sleepwear, it's a statement piece for your boudoir collection. Feel empowered and alluring every time you wear it. Trust in Avidlove for quality lingerie that celebrates your beauty. Indulge in pieces designed to make you feel special. What we like. This is a great option if you're looking to add a touch of romance and intimacy to your relationship. It's designed for comfort and style, especially with the availability of plus sizes. If you want to surprise your boyfriend with something alluring and elegant, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great gift for your boyfriend. It is very cute and the quality is amazing. It is a perfect gift for your boyfriend. It is very cute and the quality is amazing. Number 4. LEADO Candles for Men. Looking for a unique gift for your man? This candle is a thoughtful way to express your love and appreciation, perfect for any special occasion. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, this candle is an ideal present. It's a great way to show you care for your boyfriend, husband, or any man in your life. Enjoy the calming and refreshing aroma of lavender. This scent is perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere, helping to soothe both the body and mind. Crafted from natural wax and essential oils, it provides a clean and delightful fragrance. Experience a natural way to unwind and de-stress. With a burn time of up to 50 hours, this candle offers a long-lasting scent. It's a gift that keeps on giving, a constant reminder of your affection. What we like. This candle offers a unique blend of humor and relaxation. The amusing message is sure to bring a smile, while the lavender scent promotes a calming atmosphere. If you're looking for a gift that's both personal and practical, and your boyfriend appreciates a good laugh and a relaxing ambience, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The product is well made and looks exactly like the picture. It arrived quickly and was packaged nicely. The quality of the material is excellent. Number 3. D-Story Custom Face Socks. Tired of boring socks? Now you can put your favorite face, or anyone's face, right on your socks. It's a fun and unique way to express yourself. Simply upload your favorite photo, and we'll turn it into a one-of-a-kind pair of socks. These make for a truly memorable gift or a special treat for yourself. Designed for everyone, these comfortable athletic cruise socks are perfect for daily wear. They offer great support and a snug fit for both men and women. We use high-quality materials to ensure your custom socks are not only vibrant but also built to last. Enjoy comfort and style with every step. Looking for a unique gift? Surprise your loved ones with a pair of personalized socks featuring their face or a cherished memory. It's a gift they'll never forget. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Make a statement with socks that are as unique as you are. Order yours today and walk with personality. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for a truly personalized and fun gift. You can literally put his face on his socks, making it a unique and memorable present. If your boyfriend loves quirky, personalized items or enjoys athletic wear with a personal touch, these custom socks are a winner. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for everyday use. Its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. The functionality is impressive, with multiple features that make it versatile. Number 2. ZAVIT Anniversary Love Gifts Drive Safe EDC Keychain. Looking for the ideal Valentine's Day gift for your husband or boyfriend? This is a convenient and practical choice that truly expresses your appreciation for him. It's the perfect men's Valentine's gift. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, designed for easy one-handed use. With a built-in keychain, you can easily attach it to your belt, pocket, or backpack for convenient carrying wherever you go. This tool is perfect for everyday tasks like peeling fruit or opening boxes. It's also an essential companion for outdoor adventures such as fishing, hiking, camping, and traveling. The folding blade design makes it easy to use and store safely. Simply pull the blade out when needed and fold it back into the groove when you're done. It's a must-have tool for daily travel. This is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's a convenient and practical companion for all your adventures. Remind your loved one to drive safe with this thoughtful gift. It's a practical item that shows you care about his safety and preparedness, whether he's on the road or out exploring. What we like. This gift is perfect for the boyfriend who is always on the go or loves practical gadgets. The drive safe message adds a thoughtful, caring touch, and its compact size makes it an ideal everyday carry item. If he values utility and safety, and you want to remind him you care every time he uses it, this keychain tool is a great option. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly on my desk. It has multiple compartments, making it easy to organize my essentials. The build quality feels very durable and I expect it to last a long time. Number 1. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Capture the special bond between you and your partner with this all-in-one hand casting kit. It's the perfect way to create a unique and meaningful keepsake together. This kit includes everything you need to create your masterpiece: molding powder, casting stone, and all the necessary tools. Clear instructions make the process simple and enjoyable. Looking for a gift that truly stands out? This DIY hand casting kit offers a heartfelt experience and a beautiful piece of art that will be cherished for years to come. Our premium molding mix captures every fine line and fingerprint, ensuring an ultra-precise and professional-grade result. You can create a stunning keepsake right at home. Turn a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art. It's perfect for anniversaries, weddings, engagements, or simply a special date night, creating a beautiful reminder of your time together. This romantic and one-of-a-kind gift is ideal for your significant other. It's a beautiful way to celebrate your connection and the moment you created it together. What we like. This is a wonderfully romantic and creative gift for couples looking to create a lasting memory. It allows you to capture a special moment together in a tangible, artistic form. If you're celebrating an anniversary, engagement, or just want a unique date night activity that results in a beautiful keepsake, this hand casting kit is ideal. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly on his desk. It has multiple compartments, which is great for organizing small items. The build quality feels very sturdy and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.